Welcome to Hypernova, built to back traders. Up to $200 initial funding, on-chain rules, instant payout, best-in-class execution. So it's built on Hyperliquid. So let's explore. What do we get here? Is there anything here? Register for alpha. Right, so it looks like that's the phase we're currently in. And let's get this disclaimer out of the way that this is no financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. I just saw a new platform that is giving the tendency of earning free cryptocurrency, and that's why I'm here. No investment required. Just do your own research, right? So let's click on register for alpha here. You will provide your email address and click on continue with email. So far 9,174 traders are in queue. So the next page, you just choose a username, then you click on continue. So it says you're number 9,180 in the queue. Connect your social accounts to get priority. So you can connect a Hyperliquid account, Twitter account, Telegram account, Discord, right? And what do you gain? You get priority access. So I decided to start with Discord, and here, Hypernova accept invite. Where did you hear about us? I don't know why it's so important. So you answer these questions accordingly, right? What do you trade? Trade crypto. If you trade FX, if you trade equities, commodities, you select appropriately. And you click on continue. Your application is pending. So back end it says I've joined Discord. So on Telegram, you provide your mobile phone number here and you click on continue. That's the one link to your Telegram account. So you'll be sent a message, and all you need to do is click on confirm to accept it. It says you have successfully logged into use Telegram widget. Then back it says you're logged in. You click on accept. Now you've connected Telegram. Then there is X. So now it says I'm number 4,204 on the queue. This shows that the more tasks you complete, the more you go up the ladder, right? So here is Hypernova official Twitter page, verified in gold, with a followership of 2,439 at the moment. So one day ago, they announced their $3 million pre-seed led by Lemniscap. Mission is to build a distributed trading desk that levels the playing field for independent traders. Trading talent exists everywhere, but access to capital, infrastructure, and aligned incentives does not. We've built the foundation to change that. So by following them on their social media page, you'll be up to date with the progress of the project, right? So this is it. If this appears to you like something you would want to be part of, you just jump on the link. I'll be leaving for you in the pinned comment and join the waitlist. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.